Once Devi and Mary were wild animals in different jungles of Asia or India. Today they are good friends in the San Diego Zoo, even though they had big age difference. In the given situation, Devi and Mary are happy and hundreds of people are visiting them. The visitors are observing them, learning from them, and relaxing and enjoying by seeing Devi and Mary. Today, they are influencing and entertaining hundreds with their joyful nature in a limited facility but in a unlimited ways.